Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix EA Sports FC26 game crashing, low FPS, freezing, stuttering, lagging, not launching, not loading, black screen or other errors on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. This will restart your system. Once your system restarts, check if you can launch the game. If not, next is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. After that, go below and here expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your graphics driver. After that, check if the problem is fixed. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link that I have already provided in the description and update your graphics card from there, and then check if you can play the game. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, then click on browse. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now select your game application. After selecting it, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, then click on run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, and then click on apply and OK, and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and then try to check if you can play the game without any further problem. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So Steam users, just go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I have not downloaded the game, simply I am showing you an example. Right click on the game, click on properties, now click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. After that, check if the problem is fixed. Epic Games user, you simply have to launch Epic Games and choose library. After that, click on three dots in the game, then choose manage, then click on verify button, and after that, relaunch the game and check if it resolves the problem. EA Games users, open EA app, select the game, click on manage, then tap on repair option, and after that, check if the problem is fixed. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings. Here check if the game is listed. If not, click on allow another app, then click on browse, then go to the game folder where it has been installed, select the game application, and then check if the after selecting it, add it to the list. After adding it, select your game. After selecting it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked. After that, click on OK, and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, you just need to go to Steam. Under Steam option, you have to click on settings, then go to in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you simply need to click on it to disable it, and then try to launch the game and see if it resolves. EA Games users, you need to open EA app, then click on triple bar on the left side, then select settings. After that, click on the application tab. Now scroll down the content to find and toggle off in-game overlay option. After doing this, now check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled, like NVIDIA Shadow Player or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So make sure you disable all those overlay applications and then try to launch the game and see if it works. Next is to modify launch option. So Steam users, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you need to type -DX11 and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, type -DX12, and after that, try to launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. Epic Games users, just launch Epic Games, then select library. Now click on three dots beside the game, choose manage. Next, move down to launch option. Here you need to enter -DX11 and then try to launch the game. If it does not fix, then enter -DX12 and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So if it is, then suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable the antivirus program and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option over here, and if there is any update available, update your Windows and then check if the problem is fixed. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. After that, open the link, download it and install on your system. After that, restart your PC and then log into the game. So go to the browser. After it opens, go below. From here you can download the files. After downloading it, install the Visual C++ files. After installing it, now restart your system once and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to increase virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search bar, search for View Advanced System Settings. Now click on Settings, then click on Advanced, then click on Change. Here you need to select the drive where your game has been installed. Click on Custom. Here you need to type 12288 in the initial size, and in the maximum size you need to type 24576. Then click on Set and then click on OK. So after doing these changes, now try to launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. After that, here your game will be listed. If not, you need to click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where it has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you need to select high performance. After doing this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game, restart your PC once. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall EA Sports FC 26 game, and then try to play and check if it helps to resolve the problem now, and you can play it. So all these are few solutions to fix EA Sports FC 26 not launching, lagging, freezing, crashing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.